Right, grade threes, how are you today? I hope you are well. In this lesson, or this little bit of excitement starting off your lesson, I'm going to talk about multiplication facts of 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, those are the higher tables. So we've got to work out 6 times 7, 7 times 8, 9 times 6. And you think, oh my word, I don't know what the answer is. I am going to show you a trick. If you can remember this trick, you'll be able to work out all your tables. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so let's start off and say, let's do 7 times 9. Okay, now if you know the answer, that's very nice. But let's pretend you don't know the answer. So the first thing you're going to do is, it's 7 times 9. Now, on the number line 1 to 10, how far is 7 from 10? 1, 2, 3. It's 3. It's 3 away from 10. Right. And 9, how far is 9 from 10? It's 1. Okay, so let me put that there. This is 1 away from 10, and 7, well, it's 3 jumps to 10. So that's the first step that you've done, okay? Now what you do is to work out what your answer is going to be. We're going to work the answer out in two parts because there's two numbers in the answer. We're going to say 9 take away 3. How much is that? It's 6. Let's try it the other way around. 7 take away 1. It's 6. So both times it's 6. So we know the answer is going to be 60 something. And then the second part of the answer is going to be, we're just going to times these two together. What is 3 times 1? Yep, it's 3. So what's your answer? What is your answer? 63. Can you see that? How easy was that? Let's look at this thing again. The first part of your sum was this over here. 7 times 9. You got that? Let me make it nicely for you. 7 times 9. You don't know what the answer is. So what you do is you work out how far is 7 from 10 on the number line. There's my number line. How far is 7 from 10? 1, 2, 3. And then I put my 3 down. And then I say, how far is 9 from 10? And, 9 from 10. It's 1. And then I put 1 here. And now that I've got these two answers, I work out the next thing. There you go. Got my two answers there. The first thing I do is I say, if I take 1 from 7, I get 6, right? And if I take 3 from 9, I get 6. It always works out the same. If I cross over like this and I work out, 7 take away 1 is 6. 9 take away 3, it's 6. So I write down 6 as the first part of my answer. And then these two little numbers, I just times them. What's 3 times 1? It's 3. And there's my answer. How easy is that? Now I'm going to try another one with you very, very quickly. Okay? Let me take that away and let's do this one. 8 times 6. Let's look at 8 times 6. Okay, right. Here we go. The sum is 8 times 6. There you go. That's my first step of the 3 steps. What's the first thing I do now? Any idea? Yes, with the 8, how do I work out the number that goes in front of it? How far is it from 10? It is 2. So I put it there. And 6, how far is 6 from 10? It's 4. That's right. There, I put it over there. Okay. Now I've got those two little things. That's my second part of the sum done. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to say 8 take away 4 is 4. Very good. And then I'm going to say, just to make sure, 6 take away 2 is 4. I've already written it down. Now, all I have to do over here is I have to multiply those two together. What is 2 times 4? 2 times 4 is? Yes? No, not 6. Yes? 8. Well done. I could hear that. And look there. There's my answer. 48. So, let's look at it once more. 8 times 6 is 2 here, 4 there, because I have to look at how far the 8 and the 6 are from the 10. Once I've got that, I cross over and I say 6 take away 2, it's 4. I double check. 8 take away 4, it's 4. So I write down the 4 there. And these two numbers, I now times them together. 2 times 4 is 8. And there's my answer. 8 times 6 is 48. Okay, my lovelies, so you try that out. Practice my little trick with 6, 7, 8, and 9. Anything. 6 times 5, 7 times 9, 8 times 8, 9 times 3, whatever it is. Practice the times 6, times 7, times 8, times 9. You'll get the answer correct every time if you follow those 3 steps. Thank you, my lovelies.